morning, folks. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm covering a sovereign citizen who's been around on YouTube for 9 years. He's hardcore, he's a radical, he's quite a character. Anyway, I'm going to show you the video he first made 9 years ago. I believe it was in Nebraska where he got pulled over by the police. I believe he had his brother in the car with him driving. He was a passenger. Ends up with a window smash and all the good things you expect from a sovereign citizen. And then I'm going to show you a video he just uploaded. I think it was yesterday, the 26th. Yes, he uploaded it yesterday, and show you how much his life has developed. He's lost his home. He's lost almost everything. He was homeless for a long time. Anyway, let's get on with the video. I hate to change the plan mid-intro, but I'm going to show another video after this one of him getting escorted out of a building by U.S. Marshals, and then I'll show you his latest clip.
I'm Officer Ruby, Bellevue Police Department. I stopped you tonight. You've got a vision obstruction on your windshield there.
I know. Do you have a badge number? And
Yeah, 297.
297. Okay. What's your name?
Ruby.
Ruby.
Yeah.
And who do you work for?
Bellevue Police Department.
What's your name?
Okay. Can I get your driver's license, registration?
You can't. Hang on just a second. What's your name?
No, not hang on.
Hang on just a second.
Driver's license, registration, proof of insurance.
Peaceful people. That's what we are. What's your name, officer? Can you pronounce your name?
I believe, if I'm reading it correctly, his name is Officer Meyer. Now, could we quit playing games and get down to the stop?
We're just doing things by the book, if you understand.
Roll your window down and talk to him.
What's your name, officer? We need to have this stuff documented just in case.
How's that a crime?
Just in case what?
We have to go to
Under
court.
what law?
It's documented.
Huh?
Roll the window down.
Statutory law or? Is it
My name is right
statutory
on
law?
What's your
my badge number is 192.
And who do you work for?
The Bellevue Police Department. Do you have an ID on you?
I don't carry an ID. Hang on.
Can I see it, please? No. Okay, why?
Why do you need to see that?
Because I need to know that you're an officer sworn to uphold the Constitution.
Hang on.
They're right there.
Okay.
It looks like we have a pair of SovCits in the car. The driver wants to see his photo ID, or else he's not going to cooperate with him at all. Actually, he's not going to cooperate with him anyway, and going to end up getting his windows smashed out. The passenger is. It's pretty funny. Hang in there.
No.
Photo ID, sir. No, sir. Photo ID, sir, please. Is that okay?
You are required.
No, sir, I'm not. No, not by no, not by common law. I'm not. No. What you are?
You're being detained.
I'm being detained right now.
Hang on. Under. Look, this has nothing to do with common law. This has to do with statutes, which we're not under jurisdiction of statutes.
I'm going to have to check the dictionary on that. Let's see what a statute actually is. The statute, it's a noun. It's written law, a written law, L-A-W, law, passed by a legislative body. Violation of the hate crime statute. The tax is not specifically disallowed by statute. Those are all laws in that state. That's Nebraska. Anyway, let's carry on with your nonsense.
So what?
Not under jurisdiction of the statutes. How's that?
Because we operate under common law. Martial law has.
Anytime you operate a motor vehicle on any state.
This is not a motor
This isn't a motor vehicle.
No.
No, we are traveling.
I'm traveling. I'm traveling down the road.
Okay, you're making this harder on
No, sir, we're not. We travel in pairs for a reason, because we know the law, and we know how to operate, and we're peaceful people. We're not here to, make your guys' authority seem any less or anything like that. We just want to make sure that we're all safe. That's all.
Okay. And I've given you the reason for the stop.
Why don't you let him talk to him? Okay. You're not have anything to do with the stop. He's the driver. Okay. You're being stopped for the windshield violation. Okay. It's an obstructed view and having one plate. Okay. So you be quiet. Let him handle it. Okay.
That's not how it works, officer.
It is how it works.
Can you call out a supervisor, please?
Like
it's
I said,
how it works. It's how it's going to work tonight. You understand me?
No, I don't
You
understand.
be quiet.
No, I
We'll
don't
conduct
understand.
the traffic stop how it's supposed to be done, okay?
Do you want to engage in commerce with me?
Hey.
I need 3 forms of ID, like I said.
We'll get you out of here as soon as we can.
Okay.
I already got it going.
You got it?
Is this all about the windshield? Is this all about the windshield?
Well, the windshield, Nebraska state law also says that you have to have 2 plates on your vehicle. You've only
Can
got
I,
one.
can I interrupt real quick? I'm his lawyer. I'm his legal counsel.
And that's fine.
Dude, you can barely speak the English language. You're certainly not an attorney, and representing yourself and so could end up getting you in some big trouble.
All right, so
Hey, I asked you to
hang
let
on.
him talk to the driver.
I
okay?
got it. I'm his legal.
You're not his legal anything. He's responsible for the car.
Officer.
Okay?
I am
He's
his
responsible for the car.
This
okay?
is
He's responsible for the car. He's the driver. Okay.
This is our vehicle.
Okay. He's driving it.
By
okay?
law, to give any I'm not. Look, I have a right to privacy, sir.
You have no right to privacy in public, sir. Remember, you gotta remember the lines.
Not when you're on the roadway.
Yes, I am.
Can you
This
call?
is not a motor vehicle.
Can you call a sergeant, please? Call a sergeant. I'm just.
On his way.
All right.
I don't want to give you guys a hard time. I know. Look, you guys got a lot of stuff to do. I don't want to bother you. I just want to be on my way, man.
Well, we'd get you on your way if you give me the documents.
It's
look,
all
we're not,
on, man. Really?
All you gotta do is give me a driver's license, registration, proof.
Can't do it,
Yeah,
sir.
because that creates
We have a-
joinder, and I don't want to do that.
What's your first name?
My name is Steven.
Stephen.
That's all I care to give right now.
Stephen. Yeah. Step up.
Please no. Does the law require me to step out?
Yes.
No,
Why?
it does not.
Why? You listen. This is being automatically uploaded to the cloud. I've just
That's
let.
fine. We're recording everything too.
Hey.
I get that. I
Okay,
get
what-
that. But this is our.
Shut up.
This is our personal property.
For me?
Okay, why do I have to step out of the car? Why? Why?
Because you're gonna step out of the car. We're
We
gonna-
need to know
Hey,
why before
you-
we
You're gonna
continue.
step out of the car for me like I've asked you 4 times.
Hey, I want you. You're a peace officer, sir. You are a peace officer. You're supposed to create. Hey,
Step out of the car.
I am trying to keep the peace.
Step out of the car.
I'm trying to keep the peace. I don't know what your problem is. We're not throwing it. This is my private property, and there is no trespassing.
With all due respect, can we talk to your sergeant,
Hey.
please?
Yeah, I think once his supervisor, the sergeant, shows up there, I think the sergeant will resolve things in their favor because they're obviously correct in everything they're saying. Statutes aren't laws, this, blah, 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 right to privacy, etc., etc., etc. How many times have we seen that work out for the sovereign citizen sitting behind the wheel of their rowboat? Never.
Who's a sergeant? Yeah, can I? That's what I asked for in the first place.
Can we talk to your sergeant,
Holy
please?
shit.
Any different.
Huh?
I'm not gonna tell you anything any different.
It doesn't matter. Get to your sergeant.
Please? We're asking, please.
You're gonna step out of the car. I'm gonna take you out of the car.
No,
Okay,
sir.
I'm asking politely for your sergeant so I can speak to your sergeant.
You want to talk to LT?
Why is that such a big deal?
Is this necessary?
Hey.
What country are we living in right now?
Well, here's the deal.
Hey,
No,
what's
there
up,
is no
Kevin?
deal. Listen, you live in the same
I
country.
don't have anything to say.
All right,
As
we
long
have a
as you
problem
stay in
with
the car and
jurisdiction, I think,
I'm
right
cool.
now.
I don't have to
don't-
cooperate with you. There's no law that says I have to
just saying.
cooperate with you.
I don't have any issues with you.
I know, I don't have any issue with you, but is this really necessary? We got 3 cop cars on us. We're not doing anything wrong.
Really?
I didn't do the
That's all I got, huh?
I know, I'm just saying.
Okay, well, I got 2 forms of documents, which I'm going to show you out of stress and duress, because you're going to pull me out and beat the shit out of me probably if I don't show you.
We're going to pull you out and place you under arrest for no proof of ownership.
No,
Okay,
sir.
Okay, so now I need to prove ownership, and then I can be on my way.
We'll see.
Uh,
Smells like you've been drinking.
oh,
sir.
Okay, yeah.
No, sir.
Let's see.
I can smell it through the
Th-
crack in the window, which I'm guessing why you don't want to roll down the window.
No, sir.
okay, all
This is for our protection.
So I'm going to show you this out of stress and duress.
You can label it however you want it.
Okay.
Those are the laws. But you're probably still going to have to get out of the vehicle.
No. Can you call a sheriff?
Nope.
Yeah, I need you to call a sheriff. Yeah.
You get me.
Listen, the sheriff is the law of the land. They supersede you guys. We know how the system works. I'm not trying to overthrow you guys or anything.
See us in city limits. So.
Listen, the sheriff rules all. When
me a
shit
lighter.
goes down, I don't have a lighter somewhere. I'm just getting a lighter.
Yep, you're fine.
You got a lighter on you?
Don't reach in your pockets for stuff. You understand me?
I need a lighter.
Don't shoot me, please. What?
Does it look like I'm going to shoot you?
I don't know, man. You guys are armed. You know how much bullshit I've seen on the news lately about you guys fucking...
I asked you not to light that cigarette, didn't I? You need to step out of the car right now.
No, sir.
That's your last warning.
Sir.
Well,
can you please let us talk to the
peaceful
to the
person.
sergeant, please?
No.
Please.
No.
Hope you get your local glass company on standby, because in a minute you're gonna need them. So, you know, I just hope you do. Hope you got the number right handy.
You're in the city of Bellevue right now, and this is the commander. There's nobody else to talk to.
I want to talk
I
to
need
the
a sheriff.
sergeant.
Like anybody's answers anyway.
Need a sheriff, sir.
You're not getting a sheriff, or you're going to get out of the car.
No,
I
sir.
need a sheriff. By law, you're required to get a sheriff
You're
here.
not required to do anything.
Yeah, you are. What is wrong with you? Are you a rogue cop?
Am I a rogue or a rogue?
Rogue.
I'm a cop trying to get my job done on a Friday
Okay,
night.
I
want
gotcha.
we want to help you get your job done. I promise. We're not here to detain you guys or hold you up. Are we free to go, or are we
You're gonna
allowed?
bust my window out?
If you're not getting out of the car, yeah.
You're gonna bust my window out.
Listen, that's a $13,000 window if you break it.
That's a lot of money.
It is a lot of money. My vehicle is worth a lot. This is my vehicle. It's worth a lot of money to me. Please do not harm us. Can I talk to your sergeant, please?
I don't know what kind of vehicle he's driving. It must be a presidential limousine if he's got a $13,000 windshield. I just get mine replaced in my Tahoe, the whole windshield, and it was only $258. Jesus.
Can I please talk to your sergeant? This
They're
is
gonna break.
ridiculous.
They're gonna tear our window out.
No, sir.
Hey,
Why? Why is that necessary?
Get out of the car.
I'm not getting out of anything.
yep.
This is not cool, dude. Please.
Okay, you cooperate?
I'm.
Okay,
Look.
stay right
Hey,
there.
hey, hey. Wait.
Yeah.
I have to record this. Don't touch me.
Just cooperate with what we're doing.
Why? Why do I have? Listen.
Whoopsie daisy, I guess you were wrong. They can do that. And they have to touch you to arrest you. That's pretty much part of the game.
Do we understand what we're doing?
Do not. You have to take any of this. That's fine.
You have any weapons on you?
I do not consent to search. It does not.
We can patch you for weapons. Since that's a Springport, sir. Sorry.
Well, that was his first arrest, and yeah, it was 9 years ago. I think Van Valian covered this a few weeks ago, if I'm not mistaken. I recognized it towards the end. Anyway, let's move on to when he goes and gets removed. I believe it's the courthouse by the marshals. He's very upset about that, but this is recent. This is like 5 months ago or 4 months ago. Here we go.
Social Security Administration.
Take a look at your photo ID when you get a chance.
I don't have one.
Can't come in without a photo ID.
Well, I have business to do here.
Not without a photo ID, like driver's license, passport, state ID, something like that.
Well, I don't have my passport yet.
Okay. Otherwise, you can give them a call. The green highlighted number is the folks upstairs. That's the local number. Don't call the national. They might be able to help you out over the phone depending on what you need to do with them there.
Huh. Well, this is a public building, isn't it?
Yes, it's a federal courthouse, and it has certain requirements to enter, one of which is a government-issued photo ID. You have a driver's license? You drive here?
No, I
You
didn't drive here.
Okay. Yep. You can get a state ID card. Are you from Nebraska? No? Okay.
Is there somebody higher that I can talk to?
No?
I have business to conduct here, sir.
Then you'll have to get an ID issued by a government entity.
I'll wait here until somebody comes down.
My bad. This didn't happen 4 or 5 months ago. It happened 12 days ago. Anyway, you don't want somebody to come down because you're going to get escorted out of the building, so you might as well just go now because it's pointless at this point.
You'll have to wait outside.
I'll wait right there.
Wait outside.
Sir, I'll wait right there.
You have to leave the building.
You need to leave the building.
Now.
Yeah. You can't be in here. You need to exit.
I'm here to do business.
Not without a federal ID.
I'm sorry, ma'am. Go ahead.
Leave the building, please.
Sir, you need to exit.
What's your name?
I'm not going to give you my name, sir. I don't need to do that. Now, look, he explained to you politely what you need to do.
And I've explained politely that I need business. I have business here.
And we told you you can't enter without a photo ID. Okay. Now, we gave you that, which you can talk to them over the phone, and they can tell you what you need to do.
Sir, what's your name, sir?
I'm not
We're
going to
not
give that
giving
to
you our
you.
names.
Okay. Now you need to exit.
I have business to conduct here today.
You won't be conducting it here today.
It doesn't matter the time.
Now you can exit, or we can call and have you arrested for trespassing.
If that's what you need to do, then
Okay.
Chuck, you want to come out?
You
with
can
all
do
due
that.
respect, sir, I come here in peace.
No, so did we.
And I know, and I'm...
We understand, and it's frustrating because you can't come in. We understand that. All right? But you have to follow the rules. Okay? No, that's not going to work.
It's a legal document.
No, that's okay.
Okay, you've been told to leave multiple times. You're gonna have to leave the building or we're gonna take you into custody.
That's your choice.
It's up to you. I
I'm
don't
giving
wanna
you an
see anything.
opportunity to read
Nope,
this.
I don't want an opportunity. You've been told to leave.
Sir, I'm here to conduct business.
Not today without a photo ID.
You have to have the photo ID to come in. We've explained it over and over. We're not going to explain it anymore. It's your choice. As you see, we're disrupting business here.
Out the door.
Please don't touch me.
I'm gonna touch
Please
you 'cause you're gonna
Don't
leave.
touch me.
I might be wrong, but it sure looks like he's touching you to me. I saw him put them lime green gloves on there in the background. That was funny. I didn't pause it for that. But anyway, let's get on. They're going to actually physically get him out of the building. It's pretty cute.
The door. Pretty simple. All you gotta do is bring in a government photo ID.
You cannot
Can be a
touch
driver's license.
me.
I just did.
Politely, you cannot
I
touch me.
touched you multiple times. I told you politely multiple times.
I
to
am
leave.
giving you this.
Don't come back into the
I'm coming in
without a government issued photo
It is a
ID.
legal document.
It's
It's
not
an
a photo ID.
affidavit. It's been served to the court.
Nope. It's going to be a photo ID, government issued photo ID, current. You get that, and you can come back in.
It's really simple. All right. we're
We
not
have
gonna
things
stand
we
here
got to
and
go
stare at
do.
each other.
We got business to conduct inside.
What's
When
your
you
name,
get the
sir?
photo ID, I don't
We're
have
not
to give
giving
you
you
ID.
What's your name? You put your hands on me.
I did.
What's your name?
I'm not
We don't have
giving
to
you
give
my
you ID, and
name.
we're not.
What's
We're going
your
to go back
name,
to
sir?
work.
I'm not giving you my name.
You put your hands
Come
on me.
back-
What is your
come
name,
back
sir?
with the photo ID. We'll get you in the building.
What is
Glad
your
to do it.
name?
We don't have
It's
to
in
give
your
it to you, we're
policy
not.
to identify.
Well, I guess that didn't end the way he expected it to. Or did he expect it to end that way? I bet he knew what was going to happen the second he walked in the door. Anyway, I'm going to show you the final. It's a little 1-minute video he made. He is some mad boy. He is some mad. He just made this one yesterday. Check this out.
It's a registration. You haven't asked me for my license or registration. Calm down.
I don't care what the reason is, this type of behavior needs to stop. And it needs to stop because you cops are just like us. We're people. You know what I mean? Trying to get through our life alive, to spend it with our families. The f is wrong with you people? Do you not know the type of tyranny you're allowing in your own country? I hope your children are treated this way. And there's no mercy. I'm sick of this shit. It's got to stop. It's got to change. Everything's got to change.
Well, would you rather it change after your kids got no mercy or before they got no mercy? Which is it? Gotta involve kids, right?
You break my window, you pull me out of this car. That's the thing with you people. You're only tough when you got backup, okay? You're not tough by yourself. You're a coward, and that's why you guys come in packs of 6 and shit. Put your hands on me. Just do it. I ain't got nothing left. I don't care about anything here. Shit's got to change. Changes today.
Kinda sounds to me like now that he's lost everything he ever owned because of this nonsense, he has a plan. It sounds like that plan might involve some federal investigation on what he plans on doing next, because it doesn't sound like it's going to be very nice. Anyway, yeah, I hope they got this guy on some kind of a list, keep track of what he's up to. This guy is scary. Anyway, that's all I got for you today, folks. You all have a fantastic day. Love y'all. Bye.